What is probate and how does the probate process work in California? That's a topic of today's video, but let me first introduce myself. I'm Dale Corpus from eXp Realty. I'm a probate expert based in the San Francisco Bay Area who helps executors, administrators, and families navigate through the probate process. Losing a loved one is a challenging experience, and it brings with it various legal obligations to ensure a smooth transfer of assets and settling of debts. In this video, we'll walk you through the 11 steps of the probate process in California, where we'll explore the steps involved and shed light on the responsibilities of executors and administrators. Step 1. Understanding probate and its purpose when someone passes away in California. The probate process becomes essential to transfer legal possession of their property and assets. Additionally, it helps address outstanding debts. If the deceased had a complex estate, which includes property, investments, and various additional assets, going through the probate process is usually necessary to validate the will and ensure the assets are smoothly transferred to the beneficiaries. Step 2. Appointing the executor or administrator. The probate court plays a vital role in officially naming the executor or appointing an administrator if there's no will. This authorized individual will handle tasks such as dealing with banks, insurance companies, tax matters, and other aspects related to the estate. Step 3. Determining when probate is necessary. Probate is typically required when the deceased has debts, bank accounts, investments, or life insurance policies without named beneficiaries. Financial institutions may demand probate to avoid potential legal issues if the will is contested later. Executors also undergo probate when the estate involves California probate real estate not directly passed down to a spouse or a common in-law partner. Step 4. Initiating the probate process. The first step in California probate process is to file for probate in the appropriate court. The location for filing depends on where the deceased person was living at the time of death. Step 5. Understanding California probate fees. It's essential to be aware that the California probate process involves fees, which are determined by the estate's size. These fees include filing charges and other expenses starting at 4% of the first $100,000 of the estate. Step 6. Authenticating the will. This plays a central role in the probate process. It needs to be submitted to the probate court to receive official approval. This step also addresses any potential contests or objections to the executor nominated in the will. Step 7. Appointing the executor or administrator if no will. If the deceased died intestate without a will, the probate process becomes more complex, and the court will appoint an administrator to settle the estate and determine its distribution. Step 8. Compiling a list of assets. The executor or administrator must create a comprehensive list of all assets and their estimated values, ranging from bank accounts and investments to heirlooms and property deeds. This inventory is crucial for calculating the estate's value. Step 9. Notifying creditors and settling debts. If the deceased has outstanding debts, the executor or administrator needs to notify creditors and potentially settle these debts using funds from the estate. Step 10. Paying probate taxes apart from filing outstanding tax returns. The executor or administrator may need to submit an estate income tax return and take care of any required probate taxes. Step 11. Closing the estate once all fees and debts have been settled. The executor or administrator can petition the probate court to distribute the remaining assets to the designated beneficiaries. This step requires providing detailed documentation of all financial transactions conducted during the probate process. The California probate process can be time-consuming, taking anywhere from 6 to 12 months or more, depending on the complexity and potential contests. However, understanding the process and having proper documentation can help make the journey less daunting. Our goal here is to support you through this challenging time and provide you insights to simplify the California probate process. These are the 11 steps of the probate process in California. Thanks for checking out this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel to stay informed on more probate-related topics and tips. And I look forward to sharing more valuable information with you in the future. See you on the next video.